Ready to witness some extreme timber transportation skills? TT Machine Power brings you a compilation of the industry's toughest challenges, where man and machine showcase their incredible abilities. Prepare to be amazed by this daring and creative performance. The Komatsu PC-8000, a giant in the mining industry, is being transported on Memoe's specialized low-bed trailer. Weighing up to 773 tons and measuring 8.73 meters wide, moving this colossal excavator presents a significant logistical challenge. Memoe, an expert in heavy transport, employs specialized equipment and advanced techniques to ensure the safe transportation of this massive machine. This impressive sight demonstrates the power of modern technology in moving enormous machinery for the mining industry. Behold this astonishing sight, the Caterpillar 797F, one of the world's largest mining trucks, being transported by TX. With its colossal weight of over 623 tons, moving this machine is an extraordinary technical challenge. Each transport requires up to 2 tractor units, showcasing an impressive logistical performance. From its massive chassis to its enormous wheels, each component represents a feat of transportation. This is not just an ordinary shipment, but a testament to the perfect combination of industrial power and supreme transport expertise. Wow, what an incredible and breathtaking sight. The gigantic BLAS mining truck being transported on the road is truly an engineering marvel. Good heavens, its size is overwhelming. Over 13 meters long, 8.5 meters wide, and nearly 7 meters tall, with the ability to carry up to 240 tons. It's absolutely unbelievable. My goodness, to move this colossal machine, a special tractor with multiple axles has been employed. What a brilliant and ingenious solution. Look at how it perfectly distributes that tremendous weight across the road surface. The massive HR04 excavator bucket, jet black and colossal like a modern-day monster, rests on the multi-axle trailer of the ferrovial tractor unit. Its imposing presence dominates the scene, showcasing the impressive scale of heavy industrial equipment transport. Wow, what an incredible sight. The massive Caterpillar mining truck is being transported by a convoy of bright yellow ferrovial vehicles across the vast desert landscape. It's truly unbelievable to witness the power and engineering prowess of humans, capable of creating and moving such colossal machines. Triton Transport Services is hauling a massive Letourneau L2350 on the road. The bright yellow excavator is positioned on a specialized trailer with multiple axles, pulled by a powerful truck. The scale of the Letourneau L2350 is truly astonishing. This scene vividly illustrates the complexity and advanced technology involved in transporting ultra-heavy equipment while also demonstrating Triton's impressive capabilities in the field of heavy haulage. The sight of this enormous machine being transported on public roads showcases the engineering challenges and expertise required for moving such colossal industrial equipment, highlighting Triton's proficiency in handling complex logistical operations in the heavy transport industry. In an impressive scene, Ferrovial Company transports the massive Komatsu WE2350 wheel loader over a challenging 100-kilometer route. The specialized convoy moves slowly, carrying the 270-ton giant from smooth asphalt roads to treacherous sandy terrain. The spectacle resembles a grand parade of heavy industry, with the world's largest wheel loader appearing like a colossal statue atop the transport vehicles. As they enter the sandy stretch, wheels sink deep and engines roar. Yet the convoy presses on relentlessly, demonstrating remarkable determination and an astonishing ability to overcome obstacles. Look at that! The truck driver has skillfully conquered this treacherous waterlogged road. It's so dangerous. Oh my, what a breathtaking scene. A small truck is stuck deep in the mud, seemingly without hope. Thankfully, a larger truck has come to the rescue. Goodness gracious! The rescue operation is intense as the big truck tries to pull the smaller one out of the mire. It's incredible. Although it initially seemed impossible, after numerous relentless attempts, they finally succeeded. What a frustrating situation as the trucks face muddy puddles on the road. Oh my, the wheels sink deep into the mud, making movement extremely difficult. The drivers must work together, guiding each other through this rough stretch of road. What a challenge indeed. The KAMAZ 43118 is in serious trouble with one wheel deeply stuck in the mud, causing it to tilt to one side. How tense. The truck is carrying a liquid load, making the situation even more dangerous. Fortunately, the generous help of another heavy-duty truck arrived just in time. After many efforts, the KAMAZ finally escaped the mire safely. What a relief. Next time, choose a different path. It's truly nerve-wracking to witness the fully loaded NIFAS truck struggling on the slippery, snow-covered slope. Oh no, the wheel has started slipping now. The driver tries his best, but the truck still slides backwards. How dangerous. Fortunately, he eventually manages to skillfully guide the vehicle over the hill. What a breathtaking and memorable scene. The truck stood in the middle of the mud pit, seemingly unable to escape. The driver calmly maneuvered, each movement precise. The engine roared and the wheels slowly turned. Without any assistance, the truck spectacularly broke free from the mud. Cheers erupted and the driver smiled proudly, a testament to resilience and determination. Oh my, what a breathtaking scene! The timber truck is deeply stuck, its tires billowing smoke as it tries to escape. Fortunately, another truck has come to the rescue, connecting the two vehicles with a sturdy chain. Goodness, the rescue mission is so thrilling. Wheels spinning, smoke everywhere. The tension is at its peak. But then, as if by magic, the truck overcomes the challenge. It's truly a memorable and emotional moment of triumph. Dramatic footage has emerged of a 300-yard wooden railroad bridge in central Texas, collapsing after catching fire. The bridge across the Colorado River between San Saba and Lometa burnt down and collapsed after firefighters spent 15 hours attempting to put out the blaze before deciding to let it burn down. Wow! An excavator was diligently working, with everything proceeding normally. When suddenly, bam! It faced a major challenge. A massive log far exceeding its usual lifting capacity. Holy moly! As the excavator's arm gripped the log tightly, its two rear wheels repeatedly lifted off the ground, creating a breathtaking spectacle. Good grief! In this tense moment, the operator's skill shone through like a beacon of hope. With deft hands and years of experience, he skillfully adjusted each movement. Phew! Finally, against all odds, the enormous log was lifted and safely placed on the truck. Incredible. Oh my! Will the massive tires be able to handle this slippery surface? Or will they skid and get stuck in the icy trench? Success! No incidents occurred. In the heart of the forest, man and machine battle against nature's fury. A logging truck, mired in mud, struggles to break free. Its ally, a towering behemoth, ready to join the fray. Who will triumph in this epic clash of wills? In the vast forest, the bulldozer boldly moves through the muddy path, each powerful stroke cutting through the soft earth. Behind it, the truck is heavily loaded with large logs, symbolizing relentless human labor. The engine's roar blends with the sounds of nature, creating a vibrant and resilient symphony. Each movement of the machinery is a testament to the determination to overcome every challenge posed by nature. Oh my goodness, it's terrifying to witness two fully loaded timber trucks navigating a narrow mountain road. Steep cliffs loom on both sides, where a single mistake could spell disaster. One's heart nearly stops watching the wheels inch along the thread-like path. What a challenging and perilous journey indeed.